Hi, so I'm Melanie Calmer of Team Bona Fidé of Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, and today we are here with Denise Gebhart of the Bristal at Sayville. We are having an informational conversation on Saturday, which is the 21st of March, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. about everything regarding moving into a luxury lifestyle where everything is done for you. So we're here with Denise. So Denise, can you tell me a little bit about what it's like living here at the Bristal?
Sure. So the Bristal Assisted Living, we've been in business for 25 years. It's a great brand. It's a luxury brand. I've been with the company since for over 12 years now. People come in and they're looking for placement for their parent. Maybe they just want socialization. They may have some medical needs. We do a lot of different things such as activities. We go on bus trips. We play bingo. We go out to dinner, out to lunch, live entertainment. So there's something for everyone, but there's also that medical piece where if someone needs more assistance, they can't stay at home any longer, and the family just maybe needs to sleep at night, and they just want them to be safe in a community. This is a place where they can come and live the best life, the best quality of life. And when you come on Saturday, hopefully, you will see that, and we will have different people like Melanie had mentioned. We'll have elderly care attorneys. Yeah. We'll have realtors, just to kind of give you from step A, B, C, D, all the way down to come to how to get to a community, if it's affordable for you, and really the best way to plan for your loved one.
It sounds great. It sounds like I'm in this beautiful dining room here that I heard was newly done.
Yes.
And it is just beautiful. I feel like I'm on a cruise, but I'm stable. No
Right.
motion sickness,
Yep.
but all the fun.
It is. It is a lot of fun. It's a great community, and I always say you see people where they make friends at 90 years old. What is better than that for your mom to come in and make a friend at 90, 92, even 95, and it just gives you the peace of mind knowing that they're here, they're happy, and they're safe.
Thank you so much. So guys, you gotta come. The Bristal at Sayville on Saturday, which is the 21st of March, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. See you there. So everybody, you must RSVP. So Denise, how do we RSVP for this beautiful event?
You can call me directly. If I'm not at my desk, please leave your name and number and let us know that you would be joining us. You can reach me at 631-750-9658, or you can also email your RSVP to dgebhart, Gebhart, at thebristal, TheBristal.com. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you on Saturday.
And you'll see it all down here in the caption below.
It's like